Want to test your website's security before hackers do? We're breaking down the top penetration testing tools that freelancers and small businesses actually use, starting with the platforms featured on Frustrated Tuesday 4. Penetration testing or pen testing simulates real cyber attacks to find vulnerabilities before criminals do. It's essential for freelancers managing client data and small businesses protecting customer information. Frustrated Tutor curates the most effective tools for every skill level, from Metasploit for exploitation, Burpsuit for web app testing, and networks tools like Metasploit for exploitation, Burpsuit for web app testing, and network scanning. Each tool serves different purposes. Vulnerability scanning. Each tool serves different purposes. Vulnerability scanning, penetration simulation. Start with free versions available on Frustrated 24's platform. Download Metasploit or set up Nmap in minutes. Run your first scan on your own systems to understand vulnerabilities. Many tools include detailed tutorials and documentation to guide beginners through their first penetration test safely. Regular pen testing prevents costly breaches and builds client trust. Freelancers offering security audits command premium rates. Small businesses reduce liability and compliance risks. Frustrated 24 simplifies tool selection by rating and comparing options, saving you research time and helping you choose tools that fit your budget and goals. Like this video, subscribe for more AN security tool reviews, and comment which penetration testing challenge you'd like us to cover next. This security tool